my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be drawing Meilin from Turning Red. Let's get started. Turning Red is a new Disney movie that just came out about a month ago. If you haven't watched it yet, you should definitely check it out. It's a pretty cute movie about a girl who likes boys and just wants to be herself. Time to focus on drawing. As you can see, I filmed this video differently than I usually do. I usually just edit the video that Procreate automatically records for me, but I like to watch artists actually draw and just see the actual drawing process. I think it's just so much better that way. So I grabbed a phone and started recording my drawings so that you guys can also watch the drawing process. I'm not really going to explain what I'm doing since this video isn't meant to teach you how to draw in Procreate, but I'm sure you can pick up a few tips while watching. Also, yes, I am drawing with my left hand. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I injured my finger and was unable to draw for a week or so. It's all better now, so I'll definitely be drawing now. I'll stop talking now and work diligently on this drawing. Now it's time for the coloring. I really like the colors in my reference drawing and I'm going to use the same tones and shades. Drawing tip for Procreate users: if you want to use color drop, you have to outline the area that you want and then you can use color drop. I really like this new way of filming. Let me know down in the comments below if you like it when I film this way or if you prefer the automatic recording from Procreate. I don't mind either way. The automatic version takes a lot less work and a lot less space, but this version is much nicer in my opinion. Now that I know how to color faster, the drawing process is much quicker than before. If you guys want to see more of my content like this, click on the top right. I made a video about how I draw Sarah Lynn and Oliver Yang from the webtoon The Kiss Bet. I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video in peace. Alright, just add the finishing touches and we're done. That is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week.